What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I'm going to answer a question, actually a few questions from a reader. The question sounds like this, yeah? Hey, can I please get some advice from you about renting out my condo? Must I go through an agent? Also, internet, electricity, water, all those utilities, who will pay for this, yeah? Do you know if people generally prefer partially or fully furnished? So there are three questions. Number one, you want to rent out your property. Is it necessary for you to go through an agent? The answer is no. You can do it yourself. Place the listing yourself, put up the ads yourself, do the viewings, and finally sign the tenancy agreement if you want with the tenant. Do everything yourself, okay? You don't need an agent for this. If you want to do it yourself, you can always do it yourself. The next one, the question sounds like this. Internet, electricity, basically these are utility bills. Who will pay for this? The answer here is the tenant. Electricity and water are utility bills. Is always borne by the tenant. Tenant is the one using. Utilities are always tenant. The third and the last question. Do you know if people generally prefer partially or fully furnished? This is a usual question the landlord will ask. And you know who the best to answer this question? The best to answer this question, it will be the agents that is focusing on your condo or the area that you are trying to rent out. These agents will know what type of tenants that is attracted to that place and also what their usual request is, partially or fully furnished. They will be able to advise you accordingly, okay? Also, they will be able to advise, especially the price, the market rate and the pricing, current pricing. So that's all from me today. And if this video has been helpful, click the subscribe button, hit the like button and let it go blue. And until then, I'll see you again. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.